Air pollution is everywhere and it is increasing rapidly. But when we talk about India, it is next level. But when we talk about Delhi NCR in India, it is Pro Max and epic level. And if you are living there like me, so it is, life is like hell. So what we can do to breathe slightly more purified air? One solution for this problem could be air purifier. And in this video, we're going to do a quick review and unboxing of one such air purifier, which I would say is one of the best in terms of value it delivers. So today, we will do a quick review and unboxing of this Xiaomi Smart Purifier 4. And actually now I have got 3 air purifier. One is from Kowe, another one is Xiaomi, and third one we're going to talk about in next video. So if you want to see my long-term feedback on Kowe, then do check out that video that I have added in the description of this one. So let's quickly unbox it. And actually I bought it from Amazon. And meanwhile I am doing unboxing, I will also keep on telling some of pros and cons, and then why I have chosen this particular model and why I am saying that this is one of best value for money, because this is going to cost you around 15,000 and it's going to cover around 500 square feet of area. And first of all, let's also talk about whether air purification work or not, how realistic it is. I would say air purification work 100%. I am from filtration domain and I know there is so many filtration going on, whether we talk about industrial filtration, liquid filtration, or let's say if you are drinking beer or Coca-Cola, there is a filtration. So filtration I would say is everywhere, and without filtration in some domain it is impossible to think of. For example, our IC engines, without air filter as of today, just like us, engine will seize. So all I want to say, it really works. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and unbox it first, and then we're gonna talk more about it. So on the top here I can see this warranty, and I'm surprised to see it says only 1 year of warranty, which is okay, because I also had experience with one of MI air purifier in my past. But it's being so long, and then because that time I was living with one of my friend and actually he bought it. Okay, so here we can see product user manual. Then I think the product is itself. Okay, so the cord can be detached, that's a good thing. Now I guess I need to take it out. Oh god. And there we go. It is, I would say, slightly used, and there is nothing in this box, so I'm gonna throw this. Okay, so let me hold it for a while, and then I'm gonna show you from the back. So here I guess the filter is, so I'm gonna open this, and then we will talk about some of its spec. Okay, so let's open this. Here also I guess we need to. Okay, so this is our mesh from where we can take out filter, and this probably is the filter. And with time these purifiers are also getting better and better. Previously there used to be only one filter, specifically HEPA one. Now they also have improved the quality of it. Now there is not one but 3 filters inside this. So the outer side is this pre-filter that you can see. Then we have got the HEPA filter, and inside there is carbon filter. Okay, so this is 3-in-1 filtration. So the dirty air will be sucked inside from all around, and the clean air will be sucked outside by our fan from the top. So this is how this thing works. And now all I need to do is I need to place it back here. Okay, so there is one good thing, and it may not be visible, so let me lift it up. So here we can see it can go down, which means that the sealing with this particular model is really nice, because recently we reviewed the Kowe Air Mega 150. I was very doubtful regarding sealing of that particular model. But this one seems like properly getting enough push toward the top. And then if I talk about this surface here, it is sticky or rubber kind of, which will create an excellent seal and will not let dust go inside along with clean air. So I'm gonna push it down like this, and now we need to keep on pushing it down, and then now it is in the middle. And I also can see how perfectly this matched from the top part. And now I'm gonna close this. And there we go, it is ready. So this is our sensor, which is a laser particle sensor, a different kind of, which MI only have. And now, okay, so this is our fan, and this is, I guess, the LED. So let me now connect the power cable to it. Which is straightforward. And let me have a look where the power cord slot is. Okay, so here it is. Now let's connect this. And there we go. It is starting for the first time. And here, let me actually take this out, buy back price. And here it shows what is the ppm level. Okay, so here we can see now it is turned on, and look like my room air is really very clean. Then there is one more button on the back. With the help of home, you can turn your display on and off. So overall, I think this purifier is really nice. And obviously sometimes this value may not be that accurate. And in order to make air slightly more dirty, increase the level of pollution. And there we can see it immediately rose to 600, which says how dirty the air is. So let me actually turn this off, and let's see how much time this will take to reduce the pollution. And since this room is not that big, so this may actually work very fast to reduce the AQI level. So seems like this is working perfectly fine, and we also have tested using dhoop or incense. Now let's talk about some of features and why I bought this one. So first of all, at the price of 15,000, this model only have got particle CADR rating of cleaning up to 400 meter cube per hour, which is, I would say, excellent at this price point. This also comes with triple layer filtration system. The first one is pre-cleaner, which capture large particle like dust and hair. The second one is HEPA, which remove more than 99% of particle as small as 0.1 micron. And probably this one does not comes with HEPA 14, that comes with COE, but we saw that in that video, right? The sealing was not that great, so I don't know what we're going to do with that HEPA 14. And the most important thing I would say is CADR. So it have got much higher CADR value, which then I would say in terms of overall performance, this one will be much better at this price point. And not only that, it also comes with negative air ionization that will help in settling down lot of airborne particle. And as we know, this purifier is also smart. So what does that mean? It can integrate with Google Assistant and Alexa. It is Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with MI Home app for remote control. It also can give you smart alert like when you need to change your filter. And I would say in case of filter replacement, you can keep it as long as you want. The only con here you will face is, the air output will be slightly reduced, but in terms of air quality, and still you will keep on getting purified air, because when your air filter get dirty, those particles itself act as a resistance or barrier to pass and stop other upcoming particles to get passed from that filter. However, when we talk about automotive air filtration, that time engine require lot of air. So in that scenario, we may require to change filter on time. But here in case of room filtration, you just need to see if you are getting enough purified air or not. And let's see how we can control its speed. For that, you simply need to press this button, and here we can see it shows 1. Then if I press it again, it shows 2, 3, and it has a maximum speed when it shows halt. So there are 4 levels of speed, and then if I again press it, and now it is in auto mode. So that's how you can control the speed of this air purifier. And let me also see if they have app for iPhone. And yes, seems like they do have app for iPhone, which is Xiaomi Home. So we can also install app for iPhone, and obviously for Android there will be app if they do have app for iPhone. So using that app also, you can easily connect it. And here also with iPhone you can control your MI air purifier, and if you can do with iPhone, then for sure you can do with Android. And here in this app, not only I can see AQI, but I also can see humidity and temperature, which is really nice to have. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Negitech to follow more such tutorials, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.